Hi students, now let us see a program to work with the files concept. Okay, so what is a file? How do you define it? Regarding this file operations, etc. The theory you can find it in another video. Now let us see the just programming concept. So it's nothing but a collection of data. Okay, so why we use these files? We use these files if we want to store data permanently. Okay, this is the major reason to go with the files concept. So if you like to work with this files concept, we have the various built-in functions. Those are available inside this stdio.h under file. Okay, so let us see what are those functions and how to work with it. Let's see an example how to read the content from the file. Okay, so first of all, there is a file structure is there. For it must be in capital letters. Okay, for this you need to create the one pointer. Then here I'm asking enter the name of the file to read from it. I'm reading the name of the file here. Okay, for example, in the D drive I save a one file called myfile.txt where I store some content. Okay, then if you like to open that file through the programming, I have a function called here fopen, file open. Okay, for this we need to pass the two parameters. One is the name of the file. Okay, second one is this is the mode. So here R indicates the read mode. So like that we have the R modes, W for write and A for append. Okay, so now I would like to read the content from the file. Whenever this fopen unable to open this file, because if the file doesn't exist or even you give the wrong path, then it shows a null pointer. So I'm checking that condition here. If fp equal to null, then I'm saying error while opening the file. So I'm writing this exit function. What it does, it terminates completely your entire code, entire program. So this is available inside the stdlib.h file. Okay, otherwise if the file is opened successfully, now the thing is I need to read the content from the file. So to read the content from the file character by character, I'm using another function here called fgetC, file get character. For the getC, you need to write the pointer name fp. What is the fp? fp is whenever I am opening the file here, that I created a connection, established a connection with this pointer to my file using the fp. Okay, this I declared with a structure called file star fp. See here, I have created here file star fp pointer. This fp the user defined one, you can write anyone. So while reading the character by character, okay, whenever I reach the end of the file, this is the predefined macro. Okay, EOF, end of file. So it reaches. Whenever it doesn't reaches the end of the file, so this I'm repeating inside the while loop, and after reading that I'm storing inside the character variable ch that I'm printing it. Once whenever it reaches the end of the file, then I'm closing the file using the fclose function. This is also a built-in function. Okay, fclose is the built-in function. Again, this fgets is the built-in function, and this fopen is also a built-in function. Okay, so let me show you. Just I created file inside the D drive. So in the D drive I'm creating a file called myfile.txt. So inside this one, just I'm writing the one line of the information. This is text file. Okay, closing it. Now you run this code here. Name of the file is, I'm writing the D colon my file.txt. So now the content of the myfile.txt is, this is text file. So whatever the content I have included inside that file, it is reading and displaying as output for this program. Okay, this is how to perform the reading operation on file.